Oh my god, there's a fire. And while that, I'm just at TITUSVILLE. That seems nice. Just over 1 minute left. Oh, not as I set time. No Summer Cruise 2004. We are waiting for the SpaceX Launch installing again, and for the first time since like almost less than a year, and I finally get a chance to see it and hear the rocket engines roar. We are getting ready for the launch in a few moments shortly. 30 seconds left. It may not be the exact, because well, the real life version is early. The next one is coming shortly. You can see the vehicle assembly building. Luckily, it's not the Artemis launch, because if you experience the Artemis launch, it's way something to be. Oh, there it goes. There we go. Liftoff of the Falcon 9. Beautiful. Just what we love to see. You can hear the engines roar. Just beautiful. We gotta wait for it to roar. There it goes. Really adds. Oh, caught the hopping fish right there. Beautiful. That's beautiful. And this is the last time that I'm gonna have a rocket launch video for 2022. 2022 is coming to a close. So yeah, that's all I got to say, and Merry Christmas!